I'm going to walk you guys through in this video how to use AI to build out landing pages for paid traffic. So specifically for Google Ads in this scenario, if you're a home service business and you're not taking full advantage of AI going into 2026, you are going to fall behind. So go ahead, there's going to be links down in the video for all the resources you guys are going to see, and let's jump right into it. So basically, this is going to be the landing page you guys are going to see. It's going to have the exact how to use this prompt and the exact prompt that we use on all of our clients after we've spent over $12 million in ads across all of our clients, our students over the past few years. We've found out exactly what works, and we built out a prompt that you guys can go and paste into these AI landing page builders to help you build landing pages literally within minutes instead of hours or even days for some people. Okay, so again, go down, click the link below. You guys are gonna get the access to this prompt and you're gonna follow along in this video. I'm gonna explain why we're using each section, why we don't use certain elements, why we're not sending leads to a website, and why we send them to a landing page to help us increase our conversion rate instead of wasting money on ads, okay? So if you're an agency or you have an agency running your ads, send them this video. Help them figure out how to actually increase your conversions and get you leads coming in through the door. So let's just jump through it. Go ahead and copy and paste, or copy this whole prompt. We'll walk through it basically in a second as we type it out. Right now, we use bolt.new. You can use Lovable. You can use any landing page builder. This is just what we've seen works the best for us and our prompts. So go ahead and paste your prompt into here, okay? And then what we're gonna do is where you see it says service right here, if you're a plumber, an electrician, if you're a dog poop company, I don't know, go ahead and type in your service. I'm gonna type in, let's just say plumbing business, running Google Ads in Scottsdale, Arizona. Awesome. Now let's walk through and we can read each one and understand it. So goal is to generate phone calls at the lowest possible cost per lead. Primary focus is mobile users, because guess what? When you're running Google Ads, you should be focusing on mobile traffic. Mobile traffic is king nowadays. Most of the people who are coming from like your computer are just browsing, price shopping, or they're clicking on a bunch of companies and submitting forms to see who can give them the best quote. When they're on their phone, they like to have speed. They want someone to answer the call, give them a quote right now, and then they're just gonna go with that first company that answers. Because it's crazy, but a majority of your competitors don't even answer the phone. So if you run the ads and you actually answer the phone, you're gonna crush it, okay? So mobile users, click to call behavior, simple layout, high trust, no distractions. Page structure, we're gonna start it off with the hero section. That's the thing at the very top. And it's literally gonna give us a headline, show our Google reviews. You guys can customize this, add in, if you only have like 100 or if you only have 50 or 20, just put in 20. And for this sake, we're just gonna say 155 star reviews. You can put in your city and let's just say Scottsdale because we already put that. And then since this one, we're targeting drain cleaning, boom. Scottsdale trusted drain cleaning experts. Now, you guys already put the information up here, so you don't have to customize all these down below, but I just do it just for the sake of doing it to make the prompt even better. So we're gonna go ahead and put in Scottsdale, include 3 to 5 indicators. You guys can change these to whatever you want. You can hit and build the prompt first and then customize it later, which is typically what we usually do, but we'll just keep walking through it. Background image, use a real image of the team, truck or service being performed, not a stock image. The more you guys can put real human photos of like you, your team, your jobs, the easier it is to convert people, because AI scares people nowadays. And I get it, we're using an AI landing page builder, but you don't want to show AI stock images because that doesn't convert well, okay? We've already seen this across so many different people or so many different businesses. They try using stock images, and if you use real images of you and your team smiling and doing the job, you will actually have such a higher conversion rate. My big head is over here in the way, so let me lower that down here. Above the fold, visual confirmation, add an image showing the service being performed so users immediately recognize they're in the right place. Stuff like that. It's like you don't have to be a crazy good marketing expert to know that somebody wants to see when they click on your ad and go to your landing page that they're at the right spot, right? Benefits section, fast response times, upfront pricing, professional technicians, locally owned and operated, satisfaction guarantee, right? So then you have a 4 simple step process because people want to know as they get on the page what your process is like. You got testimonials, services we offer, service area. So yeah, let's just go ahead and click build now. And if it does take a second, it might take 3 to 5 minutes to build that. But that's literally because we are prompting it with so much information that I'm betting you guys have never actually prompted AI with this much information. So click build now and let it build out. Give it a few minutes, go get some food, get a snack, and then come back. And we'll come back once this page is built. All right, so look at what it generated. It generated a pretty good mobile optimized landing page that now we can just make edits to and tweak with AI prompts. So Scottsdale Trusted Drain Cleaning Experts shows 100 plus, 150 plus 5-star reviews on Google, shows some trust factors and a tap to call now. We obviously still want this little form section in here just in case, because not everybody wants to call. Somebody's, I don't know, traveling in an Uber and they don't want to call us and they want to just give us some info. Awesome. That's still a lead that we paid for that we want to obviously get their information, right? So boom, tap to call now, get your free estimate. We respond within minutes. And again, it basically wants to prompt them for them to call us, but we still give them the option to submit a form. And if this little like maiden bolt wasn't here, obviously you pay for this app, it's like 20 bucks a month or something like that. And you pay to get your landing page hosted or your website hosted, whatever, and you get this removed. So don't stress about this, but here's a little call number that pops up and instantly they can just, as you scroll down the page, always call you, click that little call button. You can either have it like this or a tap to call at the bottom of the page, and either way works. We've noticed that even if you have a sticky call, like little logo right here, or a tap to call, they both convert at the same rate, right? So awesome. You need a trust factor. You should have a staple of showing like, hey, this is how many reviews we have. You landed on the right page, Scottsdale Trusted Drain Cleaning Experts. If you're running I don't know, if you're an electrician and you're running a panel upgrade ad, you don't want it to say just electricians, because the higher like focus you can have on this headline, like let's say they go and type in panel upgrade and then it just sends electricians here. Now, it doesn't match exactly what they're looking for, and the better you can match exactly what they typed into Google, the higher your conversion rate is going to be. So if you set an ad group up to electricians near me, then yeah, you can leave it to be electricians on here. But if you set up an ad group to be super hyper focused on like panel upgrades or Tesla charger installations, basically super service focused, like a specific service, the higher your conversion rate will be. The broader you are, the lower your conversion rate will be. Does that make sense? Hope it does. Okay. Then we just add a little like reassuring factor that this is what they're here for. Trust factors. I always like to add these. You can make it licensed and insured, or you can make it discounts. You can make it say 100% on-time guarantee. You can make it say no service fees, no local service fees, 10% off first-time customers. And you just add those little badges, and then you just say, like you prompt it. You just say, hey, replace licensed and insured with 10% off first-time customers, right? And that's all you do. And it's this easy. Use AI to basically build it out, and you just guide it through exactly what you want. You just tell it what you want, right? It doesn't get easier than that. So we're looking at the mobile view because, again, mobile traffic is king. Most of your ads, and if you don't know how to do it already, you should optimize all of your ads for mobile traffic and increase all your bid adjustments towards mobile traffic, because this is going to be your highest converting traffic that's coming in and your highest converting leads, okay? So again, tap to call now. We want to give them an instant option to call us, and then get your free estimate, full name, phone number, what we can help you with. The more questions you ask, the more friction you get. So if you want only higher quality leads, you're going to want to ask like the service they want, to give you an example or give you like more of a description on the service they want. And like I said, the more questions you ask here, the more friction you're going to add. Okay. Then again, we just add another option for them to call us, because I'd rather them call us than submit a form. But nonetheless, if they want to give us their information, we'll take it either way. Okay. The why choose us. Again, we have more, reasons they should go with us over everybody else. In this section, you can either leave it like this, because this is perfect. We do this all the time for our other clients. Or you can add a discount section showing all your coupons, all your discounts, all like the reasons that they should go with you over other people, how it works. Boom, your step-by-step process. Getting professional plumbing services is a simple and straightforward. Call or request a free estimate. Reach out by phone or form and we'll respond immediately. We'll assess your needs and give pricing. Our technicians evaluates the issue and provides upfront pricing. You want to explain to them step by step by step what they're going to go through, because if they're not going to call right now and they just want a free estimate, they want to know the process. And the more we can be super transparent with these people, with our leads coming in the door, the more professional of a business we look like, and the more trustworthy we look like, okay? So again, a what our customers say section, awesome. It explains exact like Google reviews we got, and the Google reviews are saying the same thing on this landing page that we're advertising for. So all of this should align with the service that we're advertising, okay? This is paid traffic. It's not organic, so we need to be super hyper-focused. Again, drain cleaning, this is the ad we're running, so everything on this page should be about drain cleaning, even the reviews, okay? So boom, got through our review section. Then we list out all of our other services just in case they want to see like, oh, I also need to fix my water heater, whatever, right? Most people don't get this far down the page, but just in case they do, you can add images, which will help you perform a lot better. The more images you guys can add that are like of your team, smiling faces, of your jobs, the more it will resonate and come off trustworthy to these leads coming in the door, okay? So, I mean, if you guys just left this landing page as it is after you prompted it, it's still gonna work really well. It's gonna work better than running ads to a website, okay? I would just highly suggest adding in custom images to make it perform better. So like this background image, I would make it like an image of your teams and vehicles, a jobs, or like a photo of like a job you guys did, but make sure you can still read all this text with the image behind it. You don't want an image that's blocking all your text, because then again, if a guy can't read this and they come to the page, they're not going to convert because they can't read it, right? So let's go down how it works, what our customers say, our services, and then all the areas you service. You don't have to list every single one of them out, but you can literally say like, for this guy, it's Scottsdale, it's all these. And then you can say, and surrounding Scottsdale areas or Phoenix areas. But listing these out, add a little bit of a trust factor, because if somebody comes here and they don't see the city that they are in, they're obviously going to assume that you don't service it, and they're going to click off and you just lost that lead. Okay. So that's kind of why like we list out a proudly serving area, and then we drop it straight down into see the work we've done for your neighbors. And then we add a little gallery of all the images we have. Maybe it's some smiling customers, maybe that we have with our team and them taking photos together. Maybe it's some like extra work that you've done for your clients and it was good work, before and after pictures, right? Team photos, photos of our vans, photos of our work, like whatever. You want to show off what we've done for people, because they will look at this, and it is very important that we build trust with these people, right? Google Ads, as long as you show up and you show that you're trustworthy, you're going to get the lead, okay? Especially with mobile traffic. So all you have to do is run the ad, show that you're trustworthy, and they will call you, and it's that easy. A lot of our customers see 60 to 80% conversion rates once the customer calls in, okay? Then we add a little frequently asked questions tab, so that if somebody's like, oh, what happens if I have like a drain cleaning or like whatever? Do I need to be home if like I call them and like I need to run somewhere? Yes, we recommend somebody's home. Like you just answer stupid, simple questions that a lot of your customers have, and you just put it on this page to not only save your time, but save the customer's time in case like they need to know, okay, is there an estimate fee? No, there's not. Or yes, there is. Okay, cool. Then I don't want to waste your time, whatever, right? Frequently asked questions will not only help save your time and save you like leads who just want to tire kick. That's what we call them. This will help you a ton. It'll educate them and show them you're even more trustworthy. The goal here is to provide as much trust as possible to get them to convert with you. That's why our conversion rates are so high. You follow this simple structure on this whole landing page and you will crush it. I promise you. Don't run ads to a website. I'm going to keep saying that because I see so many people do it even after talking to them. And then once they finally do it, they're like, oh my gosh, Kasey, you were right. Okay. So you want to ask or answer as many questions as possible. Don't add like 60. This is enough. But you want to ask like, or answer the most painstaking questions that a lot of people have, and just put them here. Then ready to get started. This image should be of like, of you. Usually if you have like the business owner or a smiling picture of the team, that converts really well. Like I keep saying, the more you guys can show off pictures of yourself and your team, the more people will buy into it. Because branding is everything nowadays, and a lot of people will use AI to build this stuff, but they use AI stock images. So if you take photos of your team, have good quality photos, they don't have to be amazing, but like somebody takes out their phone, takes a picture of the team, even a little selfie shot, it's going to convert way better than these stock images because people just don't trust this, okay? So ready to get started. We love to help. Our friendly team is standing by to answer calls, blah, blah, blah. Call now, tap to call now, available 7 days a week for your convenience. And we still have the form section here, contact information, call now. That is it. They can't click on a bunch of different pages and go to other sections. We literally make it as easy as possible for them to contact us, okay? And the only action that they can do on this page results in one thing, and that's them contacting us. They can submit a form or call us. This structure of a landing page is perfect. You can use AI nowadays to help you build this stuff. So you can use Bolt, you can use Lovable. There's a few others out there, but Bolt is just what we use. If you guys want the prompt, it's down below. If you want to work with my team to help you guys build this stuff out, that's also down below. You can book a call. And I hope you guys got some sort of value from this. If not, I don't know, you must be a crazy good Google Ads expert. But go ahead and drop a comment down below, subscribe, like the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.